Welcome to the Stat Tree video module for Mann-Whitney U Test. To test whether there are differences between two groups on some ordinal variable, the Mann-Whitney U test would be appropriate. This test is similar to the independent samples t-test, but for ordinal dependent variables. You will need one categorical variable and one ordinal variable with multiple ranks in order to run this test. In looking at the preferred entertainment viewing survey, demographic question A is categorical with two nominal values. The first question, requesting a ranking of favorite types of shows, would be appropriate for the ordinal variable for our demonstration. Once you have uploaded or imported the dataset into SAS Studio, you will need to create a temporary reference to that dataset in the libraries. A link to a video demonstration of that procedure is in Stat Tree Help. With the PEVS dataset open in SAS, you would choose gender as the independent variable and drama, action, and comedy as the dependent variables. To run the Mann-Whitney U test for differences, create a new SAS program window by pressing the Create icon under Server Files and Folders and selecting SAS Program F4. In the code box, type in the following code. This code can be copied from the new browser window when you press the Script button on the sending page from the Stat Tree module. Select the code. Now press the Run icon. SAS will generate an output in a results window. As with all statistical tests, the first result to look for is a significance figure associated with the test score. If the significance figure meets your preset criterion, you will need to report your test results in your research paper. You will find those significance figures here. In this test, we have met our significance criteria for all three ranks. Here are your test results. You would report these figures as well as the subsample sizes under N and the mean rank figures for each group on each show type. If the significance figure does not meet the criterion, test results do not need to be reported in your research paper. However, you will need to report that the test failed to find a significant difference or relationship in the data. To see what this output looks like, along with a reporting example, press the Output button on the sending page from the Stat Tree module.